Hey, what's up, good people? It's Larry Jones. I'm sorry, these allergies are killing me. It's Larry Jones. Welcome to Stock Up. You guys already know, follow the prompter below. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. A lot of people are not getting their notifications, so make sure that notification bell is checked. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Okay? Make sure you don't fall for spam. Never send money or crypto to anyone. Just don't do it. I don't care what medium you own, never send money or crypto to anyone. It's a scam. Even if they say they're me or any other influencer, just don't do it, good people. I want you guys to be protected. I'm going to make this one really short. I want you guys to look at where the market is right now. Okay? We can see that the Dow, green, S&P, green, NASDAQ, green. The Dow was up at the time of making this 217 points, right? And it's up with a looming 75% interest rate, right? Remember back when the market would, if you said 50, it would spook the market and it would be a red day, and it would just plummet. Now, with a looming 75%, the market is green. So, what is that telling you? That is telling you guys that the market wants 75%, 75 basis points. I'm sorry, three quarters of a percent. The market is asking for it. Why? You and I know that that's what's needed to combat inflation. As a matter of fact, we need 275%, 75 basis points, and then 50, and then 50. That's what I believe the Fed should say. 75 now, and then 75 again, and then 50 the month after that, and then 50 the month after that to catch up. Because the longer the Fed is behind or moving slow to combat, then the higher the next interest rate is. Your mortgage, a 30-year fixed mortgage is almost 7%. Good people, it's going to hit 7%. It is more expensive right now to purchase a house 30-year fixed mortgage than it ever has been in the history. Now, we know percentages were higher, but based on earnings, right? Based on how much you make compared to mortgages. My dad, in the 70s, 11%. Those of you that have purchased in the 70s, 11, 12% was nothing. But I just wanted to make this video to show you that we need this to happen. So the Fed, I believe, sometimes they leak. And that's what the Fed job is. So he'll leak what's coming out. Now, he could come on and say 50%. So this is not me saying he's absolutely going to do 75 basis points. He might come out and say we're only going to do 50 basis points. But I'm going to tell you that this is going to be a roller coaster day, just like last month when we went live. It's going to be a roller coaster day. He's going to come out. The numbers will come out just before he speaks. Then he'll speak. The market will move. Then he'll take questions. The market will move again. Remember, I showed you guys in real time last time. I'm doing this one now because tonight I'm going live with Stockmo, Keenan Grace, and I might have a surprise guest. All right? So make sure you check that out tonight, 7 Eastern time. All right? But so this is what I wanted to show you guys, that everything is not what it appears, and that's the way the Fed operates. Remember, the Fed job is not to save the stock market. The Fed job is to save the economy. And then the stock market will do better following the economy. And so he has been slow. You know, last year, transitory, that was not true. And everything is not what it seems. Just like you see me here. You think I'm in a suit, but the truth be told, I could have on shorts. And so I put on shorts just to show you everything is not what it seems, good people. And so I just did that for a little laugh, but I just want you guys to look at this and just remember, with the fear of a 75% interest rate hike, 75 basis points, not percent, basis points, that the market accepts it, right? And so the Fed Jerome Powell needs to accept it. This needs to happen. As a matter of fact, we need to go another 75 next month, and then 50 and 50 if you ask me. Okay? And then I believe the economy, the stock market will actually do better if we do what's necessary. We have more tools. Here's where YouTubers come in. There's more information getting disseminated amongst people now. There's more awareness now. And so people are accepting with their pockets, with their stocks, with their investments, what needs to happen for the economy and what needs to happen with the interest rate hikes. We have accepted it. The market is reflecting it. So all we need is the Fed to do it. All right. So I just wanted to show you this as you prepare, but I'm going to tell you, just like before, he'll release the numbers before he starts talking. We'll know CNBC, Fox Business, all of them will tell you what the number is, and the market will react. Then he'll start talking, and he'll tell you why. The market will react. Then he'll take questions. The market will react. So it's going to be a roller coaster day, if you ask me. All right, good people. Hey, and getting ready, let's make sure that we have those links. My 2 links below, Webull and Moomoo. If you have one, download the other. Just deposit $100 into both. As a matter of fact, you can deposit 1 penny in both. And if you don't have either of these two, do it, because we're going to be doing something with both brokerages in the upcoming weeks. Okay, we got some good plans for you guys on how to make money. For those of you that are new, learn more about the stock market and not just chasing, just buying stock just because someone said it, but we want to teach you how to make money. All right, make sure you check that out. And make sure you join us tonight. Stock Mo, myself, Keenan Grace, and another guest. All right. And we're going to keep it going. We'll see you this evening live. All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.